What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, I will be recording a BFF hair review. So it came with the wig and it came with a pair of mink lashes. And it also came with stocking caps. The wig that I purchased is called the 13x6 Kinky Curly Lace Front Wig, and I got it in 20 inches. That's what the curls look like straight out the box, and this is what the lace looks like. Also on the inside of the wig, it came with 4 combs. Okay, so here you see I pinned up the wig onto my dome head, and basically I'm just gonna start plucking the hairline a little bit. I don't think it really needed it, to be honest, but some people, you know, like to customize it and whatnot, and I do too, but I didn't do too much plucking on it, so yeah, you'll see. So now we're going into the bleaching phase of the frontal, and you see I am just spraying my got to be glued hairspray on the hair so I could make sure all the hair is together and not like on top of the lace. So here you see me pouring my bleach powder along with the 30 volume developer, and I just mixed that together to create a cream type substance, which is basically what you spread across the lace in order to bleach the knots. And yeah, I didn't have a specific measurement or anything, but I'm gonna show you how much I poured. Once you finish, it shouldn't be too creamy to the point of where it's like running, but it should be a thicker type of paste. That way it won't seep through the lace while you're applying it, and it won't get on the hair. Once the timer was up, I rinsed the hair off, and I also washed it with a little bit of shampoo, and I conditioned the hair with conditioner. Using a foundation powder, I tried to put that across the lace. That way it can blend in with my scalp, my skin tone. But that's how it looked. So, you know, yeah, I don't think it really worked out for real. But you're going to see the end result and y'all can let me know how I did. After cutting the lace a little bit, I decided to use some witch hazel to remove any excess oils off my forehead before I applied the wig. So after that, I used my Got To Be Glued hairspray to glue the lace onto my head, and I did that off camera. And then after that, I used a razor to cut off the excess lace, and that is the result. So here I'm just wiping off any type of remaining glue that is on my forehead, and then I added powder to the lace again to see if it would blend in better. But as you can see on camera, and it worked, but it didn't work. Yeah, and that happened. But we're not gonna talk about that. We're not gonna talk about that. So now you see me tracing a middle part because that's what I decided to do to my wig, and I'm just trying to get a middle part going and to like smooth out that bump that the hair was given. I used my curling wand and the Chi hairspray to mold that down so it would be more flatter. So to get the curls popping again, I sprayed the hair with water and I ran it through the hair, and also I used a styling foam, and I also applied that all throughout the hair as well, so it'll define the curls and sort of keep it throughout the day. After that, I used my LA Girl Pro Concealer to define the part a little bit better. So that sums up the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like the hair, the link will be in the description box below. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content with me, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video.